Hey, it's Kaitlyn. That is Melanie, and we are going to lip sync to Speakers Blown because we're that cool. Yeah. Alright. Ready, set, and go.
I can't hear you, you sound like static. I can't hear you, my ears have had it bad. You sound like a radio with the speakers blown. Treble high and the bass down low. Down low. Tonight I'm drowning in my favorite records, trying to forget how every thread reminds me of the nights I spent with you. They played the soundtrack to my falling tears, soundtrack to this wasted year, and their sleeves I scars better than I could ever do. So turn me up when you turn me on. When we hear hearts break, we'll say they're playing our song. It sounds like a radio with the speakers blown, the kind of sound that you'll never know. Treble high and the bass down low. Whoa, whoa. Radio with the speakers blown, the kind of sound that you'll never know. Treble high and the bass down low. Whoa. The record plays to the beat of my heart, and my heart, you know it plays like a metronome. If the record skips a beat, my heart will too. It plays the soundtrack to my falling tears, soundtrack to this wasted year, and this leaves high scars better than I could ever do. So turn me up when you turn me on. When we hear hearts break, we'll say they're playing our song. It sounds like a radio with the speakers blown, the kind of sound that you'll never know. Treble high and the bass down low. Whoa, whoa. Radio with the speakers blown, the kind of sound that you'll never know. Treble high and the bass down low. Whoa. So I'll break these records you've always hated. I'm feeling so sick and meditated. Oh, come on, why are you so nervous, boy? My prescriptions read like random notes and love letters you never wrote. Help me feel like I'm not paranoid. I can't hear you, you sound like static. I can't hear you, my ears have had it bad. It sounds like a radio with the speakers blown, treble high and the bass down low. Down low. It sounds like a radio with the speakers blown, the kind of sound that you'll never know. Treble high and the bass down low. Whoa, whoa. Radio with the speakers blown, the kind of sound that you'll never know. Treble high and the bass down low. Whoa. Treble high and the bass down low.
Wow, that was great. We did a great job. Oh, that's
Throwing that out
horrible.
there.
All right,
Just, especially to Zeph. Just,
dude.
Okay.
I wonder if we can just. Does it look as weird as it does on cameras?
yeah.
No,
it
not
doesn't
really.
look-
All right.
yeah.
Well, we're gonna go now because we're that crazy and we need to make out now. All right, bye.